Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to uninstall Azure AD Connect. So let me just log on to the server on which I have installed Azure AD Connect and then take it from there. So I am logged on to the server, and if you will open up the control panel on the server, you click on uninstall a program, you see Microsoft Azure AD Connect, click on uninstall. Are you sure you want to uninstall the Microsoft Azure AD Connect? Click on yes. You will click on also uninstall supporting components, and then you will click on remove. It will take some time and uninstall the Azure AD Connect and its supporting components from the server. It is now uninstalling the ODBC driver, OLEDB driver for SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server 2019 local DB instance that it installed. And if you would see a green check here which says Azure AD Connect Health Agent for Sync has been uninstalled, and now it is working on Azure AD Sync Engine. It will take some time. Okay, all of the components were successfully uninstalled. I click on exit, and if I close everything, and then Azure AD Connect is uninstalled. Let me check the portal. So if you'll refresh the portal under Azure AD, and you'll see Azure AD Connect. If you will just refresh the portal. So when it will poll the sync, then the sync will not work. And that is how you uninstall the Azure AD Connect from the server. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.